Hi everyone! Welcome back to Talk to Me in Tagalog. I'm excited to introduce our Tagalog Sentence Patterns playlist where we'll break down the basics of Tagalog sentence structure. This will help you understand how to form Filipino sentences naturally. Lesson 1 covers a simple combination of just two words, a Tagalog adjective and the Filipino interrogative particle ba. Ba is a word used in Tagalog to turn statements into questions. It doesn't have a direct English translation. This pattern, adjective plus ba, helps you form straightforward Tagalog questions to ask about qualities and characteristics of things, objects, or even situations. Adjective plus ba. Pantay ba? Is it level? Pantay ba? Is it even? Baluktot ba? Is it crooked? Baluktot ba? Is it crooked? Siksikan ba? Is it crowded? Siksikan ba? Is it packed? Sariwa ba? Is it fresh? Sariwa ba? Is it fresh? May laman ba? Is there something inside? May laman ba? Is there something inside? Maganda ba? Is it nice? Maganda ba? Is it nice? Pangit ba? Is it ugly? Pangit ba? Is it ugly? Malamig ba? Is it cold? Malamig ba? Is it cold? Mainit ba? Is it hot? Mainit ba? Is it hot? Masarap ba? Is it delicious? Masarap ba? Is it delicious? Mabango ba? Does it smell nice? Mabango ba? Does it smell nice? Mabaho ba? Is it stinky? Mabaho ba? Is it stinky? Importante ba? Is it important? Importante ba? Is it important? Masaya ba? Is it fun? Masaya ba? Is it fun? Malaki ba? Is it big? Malaki ba? Is it big? Maliit ba? Is it small? Maliit ba? Is it small? Mura ba? Is it cheap? Mura ba? Is it cheap? Mahal ba? Is it expensive? Mahal ba? Is it expensive? Malinis ba? Is it clean? Malinis ba? Is it clean? Marumi ba? Is it dirty? Marumi ba? Is it dirty? Magaan ba? Is it light? Magaan ba? Is it light? Mabigat ba? Is it heavy? Mabigat ba? Is it heavy? Malalim ba? Is it deep? Malalim ba? Is it deep? Mababaw ba? Is it shallow? Mababaw ba? Is it shallow? Mahirap ba? Is it difficult? Mahirap ba? Is it difficult? Madali ba? Is it easy? Madali ba? Is it easy? Malakas ba? Is it loud? Malakas ba? Is it loud? Mahina ba? Is it too quiet? Mahina ba? Is it too low? Malabo ba? Is it blurry? Malabo ba? Is it blurry? Maliwanag ba? Is it bright? Maliwanag ba? Is it clear? Makitid ba? Is it narrow? Makitid ba? Is it narrow? Maluwag ba? Is it loose? Maluwag ba? Is it spacious? Matagal ba? Does it take long? Matagal ba? Does it take long? Mabilis ba? Is it fast? Mabilis ba? Is it fast? Magulo ba? Is it messy? Magulo ba? Is it messy? Matamis ba? Is it sweet? Matamis ba? Is it sweet? Maasim ba? Is it sour? Maasim ba? Is it sour? Maalat ba? Is it salty? Maalat ba? Is it salty? Maanghang ba? Is it spicy? Maanghang ba? Is it spicy? Mapait ba? Is it bitter? Mapait ba? Is it bitter? Masakit ba? Does it hurt? Masakit ba? Does it hurt? Nakakatakot ba? Is it scary? Nakakatakot ba? Is it scary? Nakakatawa ba? Is it funny? Nakakatawa ba? Is it funny? Matibay ba? Is it durable? Matibay ba? Is it durable? Mabagal ba? Is it slow? Mabagal ba? Is it slow? Makapal ba? Is it thick? Makapal ba? Is it thick? Manipis ba? Is it thin? Manipis ba? Is it thin? Malambot ba? Is it soft? Malambot ba? Is it soft? Matigas ba? Is it hard? Matigas ba? Is it hard? Maingay ba? Is it noisy? Maingay ba? Is it noisy? Tahimik ba? Is it quiet? Tahimik ba? Is it quiet? Maulan ba? Is it rainy? Maulan ba? Is it rainy? Madulas ba? Is it slippery? Madulas ba? Is it slippery? Mahangin ba? Is it windy? Mahangin ba? Is it windy? Now you know how to ask simple questions in Tagalog using Filipino adjectives. Try practicing with someone, or if you don't have anyone to practice with, just repeat these simple sentences until you memorize them. If you enjoyed this lesson, please comment below and don't forget to hit like or share it with your friends. Liking the video really helps our channel grow. Salamat po!